Prime Excel Series, English Grammar Practice offers an array of digital resources for self-directed learning. They are grammar videos with audio and visual aids to help students better understand target grammar items and make them aware of common errors.
What are articles? And the are articles. They come before nouns. For example, a car, a boy, an ambulance, an orange, the sun, the moon.
Fun and interesting online games to enhance students' learning interests and diagnostic assessment for students to evaluate their own learning effectiveness, with instant performance analysis and follow-up exercises tailored to meet individual needs. Access to these digital resources is easy. First, scan the QR code in the book. Then input the Add Product PIN. After registration, click on a UPP assessment. Then choose an assessment in the My Supplementary. After completing the assessment, submit your work. Marking is done immediately. Results are released instantly, with follow-up exercises tailored based on the results. Each grammar practice book comes with an answer booklet. Simply scan the QR code on the cover to get a PDF version of the booklet. Download the PDF as a backup so there is no need to worry about losing the printed version.